going to keep it simple and straight. I want to show you how to play YouTube video without stopping. Like, when you're playing YouTube videos, Advert will be breaking in and stuff like that. At times you might be playing a very long video and adverts will keep coming up. So I want to show you the easiest way to play a video without advert interrupting, no matter how long the video is. Okay, there are so many tutorials out there, but this one is different because those other ones are using plugins, but here you don't need any plugins. All you need is a browser. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Just open your Google, type Maxton browser. Okay, come down to this one, this third option here. Okay, now this is the latest version. We are not going to install the latest version because the latest version is a paid version. So go to the old one, click here, scroll down. We're looking for 4.9 version. 4.9. This is 4.9. Click on it and install. Download this version. So you open your browser. This is how the browser is. Let's go to YouTube. Burna Boy, hottest boy. Okay, let me fast forward it to the end. You see, look at this one. It doesn't play adverts. It doesn't play advert. No matter the number of videos you're playing, you won't see any advert popping up. It doesn't play in the middle of the video and it will not also play at the end. Now let me copy this URL address. Let me minimize this one. Open another browser. This is Chrome. Paste. Look at Chrome. It started with adverts, whereas this one did not. This one is still playing, no adverts. This one started with adverts. Let me open another browser. I have Opera here. I also have Firefox. Look at what I'm saying here. All these ones are running adverts. This is Firefox. This is Chrome.
I wanted to create.
So that's it. You can see why others are showing adverts. This one is not showing adverts. There's another browser that doesn't show adverts like that, so much like that. That is Opera. It shows, but not as frequent as the other. But if you don't want any advert at all, definitely this is the one you have to go for. Maxton. Maxstone browser 4.9. That's your best bet. So good luck. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell, so that I can always get new tutorial anytime I upload. Thank you.